Right, we start with a reminder of the global picture in terms of COVID-19. Now, cases are nearing 4.6 million, with 308,000 deaths and nearly 1.7 million recoveries. The United States remains the worst affected country with more than 1 million active cases. Now, let's zoom in tonight on Brazil. Infections there have risen to more than 200,000, while the South American country registered over 14,000 deaths. Over in Europe, Germany is officially in recession after its economy shrank by 2.2% in the first quarter of the year. And of course, this is a huge economic hub in Europe. The latest official data gives an insight into the damage caused by the COVID-19 pandemic in Europe's biggest economy, with worse expected to come. The country's COVID-19 cases stand at 175,000 or thereabouts. Russia has recorded more than 272,000 cases, and it has begun a random screening system in Moscow. By the end of May, it will have the capacity to do 200,000 tests a day and to determine the number of people in the capital to have already recovered from the virus. Now, Slovenia, a mountainous nation of 2 million people with 1,465 COVID-19 cases, has become the first European country to proclaim an end to the epidemic at home. It said the COVID-19 spread was under control and there was no longer a need for extraordinary health measures. Let's move to Bangladesh now. Officials have confirmed the first coronavirus infection of a Rohingya refugee in the sprawling camps in southern Bangladesh. So that's a huge issue. This is where over 1 million members of the persecuted Muslim ethnic group live, and emergency teams are working hard to avoid an outbreak. The country has more than 20,000 COVID-19 cases, more than 4,000 recoveries and 314 deaths.